Welcome back. In today's video, we'll learn about short circuit evaluation in Python. In this session, we'll learn how Python's logical operators make decisions efficiently by skipping unnecessary part of an expression. This technique is called short circuit evaluation and it helps you write faster and safer codes. Short circuit evaluation means that Python evaluates logical expressions from left to right and stops as soon as the outcome is certain. This behavior is mainly seen with the and or operators. For example, if the first Python of an AND statement is false, Python doesn't even bother checking the second part. This saves time, prevents unnecessary work, and can even avoid runtime errors. Let's start with the AND operator. In an AND expression, if any part is false, the entire expression is false. The Python stops right there. If x is greater than 0 is false, Python never calls the function expensive check. This is really useful when you want to skip costly or risky operations unless the first condition passes. Short circuit with OR. For OR, the logic is reversed. If any part is true, Python stops evaluating right away. Here, if cached value already exists or is non-empty, Python won't even call compute value. This makes OR perfect for setting defaults or caching result efficiently. Using short circuit for safety. Short circuit isn't just about performance, it's also about safety. For example, if object is none and operator prevents a second check from running, so you won't get an attribute error. This makes short circuiting a clean way to handle conditional and safety checks. Here are a few common ways you'll use short circuit in real Python code. To conditionally execute code without multiple if statements, to avoid calling expensive or unnecessary functions, to avoid excess object attributes or inputs, and to write clean, efficient one-liners that combine logic elegantly. Important notes: there are few key things to remember. Short circuit applies only to and or and not to not. The not operator always evaluates its operand. Be cautious with side effect. If code is skipped due to short circuiting, that skip part will never execute. Let's summarize. Short circuit evaluation makes code faster and safer and stops evaluating as soon as it finds false or stops as soon as it finds true. This behavior helps you prevent unnecessary computations and avoid errors. Thanks for watching this video.